I am Katie. We are going to make a cat today. So first, you want to do the ears. So you want to do the cat ears, and then you want to do that. So this would be a outline of. Okay, I'm just gonna go over it with marker. So I have a purple marker. I'm gonna go with the darker one, just in case. The ears. And here is the outline of a cat. And then you want to add the eyes, nose, whiskers, and little smile. Very true. Yes, seriously, look at the dishes.
No!
Look at the dishes. Oh.
It's because it...
Dishes. Okay, I'm going to...
We suck. You're very good at the cat, we just the video.
And then you are done with the cat, but not done yet. I already said we're done with the cat, but we're not done yet. Last thing, color it. So, look for the ears.
How to color a cat upside down.
Very true. There's Luna. Luna, say hi, Luna. Hello, I'm Luna, the cutie kitty. Luna likes to say stuff. Luna likes to talk. Luna the talking kitty. Okay. Wait a minute, I forgot a little step. Add the tongue. You don't want to. And then.
All right, I'm gonna clean the kitchen. Sorry.
And let's watch Mom clean the kitchen. Okay, step 1, clean the kitchen. Then you're done. Okay.
Bye!
Homemade French fries. They taste delicious with ketchup. Luna, want to say hi? Hello, I want to be on YouTube, so I'm Luna the Kitty. Yeah, see, I'm Luna the cute kitty. Yes, please watch this video. Please watch this video. Okay. Luna wants you to watch this. I feel like this is upside down. Oh, it was upside down. But
Oops.
I did not see how it was upside down, but I did not look upside down. The time said it was upside down. I can't point at it exactly. There. The time said it was upside down. Okay. Look at Luna. That's Luna. That's Bailey. And now let's go find Mike. And there's Mike. Mike, say hi. Mike, say hi. Okay. And here's a movie that nobody's watching. And here's the game that Joe's playing. Okay, let's continue coloring the cat. And here are my stuffies. Come on, Candy, let's go. I just Luna! Luna, that's my chair! Luna, get off the chair.
All right, Katie, let's continue the cat video later.
Yeah.